But I think I read that if you're driving a car and pedestrians in a crosswalk, then you have to legally stop, or you could have a pretty big penalty to pay. So anyways, this is the waterfront for Ocean Gardens, and that's all the China side, Zhuhai China side, all of that. So they're doing like a financial district over there, and then over here is all the Macau side, Macau Tower, Penny Hill, casinos such as MGM, and this right here is called Zone B, I think, Zone B or C or Zone D. There's all these different names. So they're building a bunch of apartment buildings right here. So all this is going to block this beautiful waterfront where people run and jog. So so when this is realized, you won't have this view anymore. The view will be gone. But for now, we got the view. I don't know what they're going to do with the park. I don't know. Hopefully it looks cool. If they build something really cool right there, like lots of neon lights or something, maybe it'd be interesting. It depends on how they build it. But anyways, that's right in front of Ocean Gardens as well. And that's Ocean Gardens right there. So, okay. A little jogging area. I've drank beer here before with some friends. Okay. It's right there. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Ocean Gardens, and we're just sitting here in one of these little things right here, enjoying hot, humid, late June weather around 1:30 or 2 p.m. 2:30. And they're doing all this construction here, so pretty soon all that view to Macau will be blocked. And they're building apartment buildings, so hopefully the apartment buildings look cool. Hopefully look cooler than Ocean Gardens. Looks fine, but like I really like it when it's all lit up, you know, and it's like neon lights everywhere. So I don't know what they're gonna build there, but it'll be across from Ocean Gardens right here. And then this right here is like a little running path, so a lot of people will run, take bikes, kids will take bikes, people will skateboard, jog, all kinds of stuff, and they'll just go up and down this little path right here. And always had this beautiful waterfront where you could overlook, you know, Macau Tower and the casinos over here, MGM and Star World, oh not Star World, what's that, Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. But yeah, all this stuff is going to be constructed into apartments here, and I hope it's kind of cool. I hope it's not just selling, you know, just only apartments and nothing else. But anyways, we're looking at Ocean Gardens, and you can hear my echo right there. And it's kind of a rainy day today, so there's not many joggers, but other days there definitely will be. We're gonna try to get across this busy road. There's a couple of cars coming right now, and we're gonna try to go right after them. In Macau, pedestrians have the right of way, so we can, as soon as we step out, they have to stop. But this road right here is a 3-lane road, and they move kind of fast, so I can't expect too much. The other parts of Macau, you can't really go very fast. So this one's kind of an exception. I want to go fast. In a hurry. So now we're going to try to sneak out of here. Good luck to us. Looks like we're going to make it easily. And now we're overlooking Ocean Gardens. Begonia Court. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to try to find this one called the there's a viewer, and he's interested in one particular, I think it's called Lotus Court or Rose Court. I think when I see it, I'll know it. So we're just gonna walk into Ocean Gardens. Just so you can know, each one of these buildings is kind of self-contained more or less, with its own parking garage. And then I think each one is separate, I think. Or maybe you can get into one and drive across all of them. I don't really know how that works exactly. But when I look at each one, it's kind of like, you know, one big building here, one big building here, one building here. One of the notable things about Ocean Gardens is there's not much retail. So you can see a little bit of retail. There's a beauty shop there, bank there. But for the most part, the ground floors are mostly parking garages. So I wish you had more retail. There's one called Ocean Plaza down there that has a grocery store. There's also a Songsang. There's another place that has groceries too. So it does service the community, but I think basically maybe it was designed that way, just specifically for the community, and not really be that attractive to people that don't live here. If you're in Macau, you don't really think like, oh, let's go over to Ocean Gardens and hang out. It's basically like you live in Ocean Gardens and you have everything you need, more or less. There's the inside of the school, looks nice. It's very nice. Okay. Let's keep on checking everything out. This one is Hua So this is the first street, Hua Dos. Hua Dos. So the second street of the Ocean Gardens, the first street of the Ocean Gardens. So I think this is going to go to the main street. Kind of want to find this one that somebody's interested in called can't remember the name, but we're gonna hopefully come across it. One of the things that I find interesting about this area, there's a waterfront again right over there. Everything looks kind of the same, so it's difficult to know. It's difficult to see the differentiation between things. Okay, let's keep on going down. Oh, you can park here. I didn't realize you could park over here. Edificio. I think this is the one, the Lotus Building. So I think he was particularly interested in the Lotus Building. So this is the one. I remember this now. If I'm wrong. So this is the Lotus Building right here. That's it. And there's Edificio Lotus. And there's a little walkway that you can, I guess you can park anywhere, I guess. I don't know how it works, and then you can just walk across to your building, I guess. Let's just kind of walk around the Lotus Building now that we found, I believe, the right one. That's the center part right there. Okay, there's another one. This is more parking garage stuff, more parking garage stuff. Lotus Court. It says 3-3 Lotus Court. Does that mean there's 3 Lotus Courts? I don't know. So this Lotus Court would overlook the water. So little did I know that I would be predominantly focusing on the Lotus Court, which looks almost the same as that. And I think we're gonna walk down this one because I'm a little bit confused. It said 3-3. Maybe that was 3rd floor of the Lotus Court. Rose Court. I think I remember him saying Rose Court and Lotus Court. So that would be Lotus Court and this would be Rose Court. Both of them overlook the water where we started. You can see more construction over there. So we're gonna just walk along the Rose Court, and then we'll show you the center part, and we'll walk into the towards Ocean Plaza, which is like the kind of the main commercial area, which is, don't expect a lot there. It's a grocery store with plaza that's a little bit empty. But that plaza has like a gym, yoga center, grocery store, and I think it has like a lot of potential, but it's anyways, we'll go towards that too. This is right here is the easy way to get across the street over into the water. I went across the pedestrian crossway, which was also good too, but all right, so here's Rose Court and Lotus Court. Straight, these two right here. So we're gonna walk around the Rose Court. Nicely. Some Portuguese people walking to the middle there. Way over there. So those are our 2 buildings. 1, 2, they both overlook the water. So they're both inland a little bit. So okay. So we're going to navigate through here a little bit. Ocean Gardens, Lotus Court, and Rose. Camera battery died, so we just came back here, same spot. So we're just gonna continue on and our Ocean Gardens little tour. Give you an idea what it looks like for those that are interested in what it looks like. And yeah, basically it's like, look, it has that waterfront over there, and then doing construction somewhere. Or no. I hear a helicopter. There it is. This helicopter is going between Macau and Hong Kong. All right. Hot and humid day. So we're gonna take a left here, and then we're gonna walk towards the kind of the main area. So I just checked my time. It's 3 p.m. almost 3 p.m. And we're gonna walk this way, Zhuhai Trace. So we had this 3rd Street of the Ocean Gardens Avenue, and then we have Garden Street. So now we're on Zhuhai Garden Street now. Zhuhai Jardim. Jardim? Jardim. I think in Portugal they say, I think they pronounce the J like a J, but then in Rio de Janeiro they pronounce the J like an H. So they say Rio and Hua. Jardim. I guess Jardim. I was thinking the J was pronounced differently. That's Spanish, I think. Jose. Juan. But in Portugal and Portuguese, it's just Jardim. Okay. So we're almost at the beginning part here. Popular Court. There's a mountain right there. I tried to go down that mountain. There's some trails, but it's not allowed to use those trails. You have to have one of these villas up there at the top to have access to that. But I think even people here, don't have access. If you live in Ocean Gardens, I don't think you can hike up in there. But you can see some of the other buildings up there that belong to the top part. Let's go down this way. A little construction there. Cheerful Fruit, little fruit store. Got a lot of retail space. This one's for fruit. This is bus stop. Circle K. There's some guys that hang out regularly at Circle K, but at nighttime. But they'll sit in these chairs right here. So yeah, you can sit here and drink beer. Well, they said they created something like that, so you can't speak loudly after 10 p.m. It's 11, so yeah, they'll sit out here and drink beer. I gotta join them again sometime. And I guess we'll walk towards the supermarket. And I think I did say I was gonna go into Ocean Gardens, didn't I? So I think I'm not allowed to bring camera or film in there. The car was moving quick. We do have the right of way, it's pedestrian, but be a little careful because they drive a little faster through here. Okay, now we're in Ocean Gardens, and I think that they won't let me in until I do my but you do see San Mui supermarket. It's open 24 hours, that's good. And then the retail space is a little bit empty. You have to do a COVID test to go in. So you can see, so the inside of Plaza Gardens looks like that. So it's a little bit empty space. So we're just kind of fade out this way. You can see me there. restaurant. And so yeah, basically we started somewhere in this, started down there by the waterfront. That's all Ocean Gardens, and there's a lot more all the way down that way too. Okay.